making a custom window here.
Oh, yeah.
Self-folding. Yeah, it'll clear up eventually. It's a little dark now. Basically, we took a big box that we have and took just a razor blade and doing our best to cut around it. Matt did a little better than me. I got some little whoopsies here.
Oh, wow.
Anyway, we're going to transfer this onto a big piece of Lexan that I bought, cut it out, and glue it in here.
Then it'll be a windshield.
Yeah.
And then full race car.
Full race car. Cut it out to the interesting part.
Yep, that's your part.
Oh, perfect. Let me cut that red line up. Oh, yeah, at least.
Like right around it.
Oh, brilliant. Let's hit the table there a little bit. Oh, that was pretty good, actually. I've done worse.
This is definitely the right tool.
Is that sarcasm?
It's half sarcasm, half literal. It's the one we have.
It's the one we got. It's working. Better around corners than
I noticed that.
Voila! Windshield a la carte.
Don't worry, if we made any mistakes, it was only $112 for this one piece.
Hey, I have made a more expensive mistake than $112.
Why is it worse looking than the cardboard?
It doesn't have any glow to it.
Yeah, I think if anything, start cleaning up this top here so we can push it up, and then the bottom we can come back to.
Yeah.
The bottom one I was worried about is I am starting with the sides and the top.
Matt's gonna apply a primer.
If I can get it to come out.
It's like a paint marker thing. Oh yeah, she's coming out. It's gonna seal up a lot of the bare metal that we caused, and also was caused by itself, and just be a better surface for the glue, right?
Yep, this will help it adhere. Or maybe it wasn't more than one.
We got 3M window weld here going on. Trying to just lay it on thick.
I want to grab the center of it and scratch it all up. Okay. Sorry. You don't drop the shaft on it. Oops.
Can you hold it for a minute?
Yeah. Well, I got my side. Your side's kind of staying in. Actually, better than I thought it would already.
Where did we put the fucking scotch tape?
Right here. I'm just gonna tape it down.
Well, this will help it from sliding down.
This shit's a fucking nightmare to get off, too.
Yeah. You got it pretty good on your arm there. There's some gasoline behind you. I'll take that.
isn't the first time I've gotten it on me, but I'm usually at work where I can get rid of it, you know? Okay.
This is sitting so nice already. The window weld is gonna get like hard, right? Hardish, anyway.
It's gonna be just like the shit we scraped off. It's gonna turn into like a rubbery.
So if I put a little under here, it'll keep the wind from blowing up in it.
Should in theory help. Glove and then smooth it over. If my finger doesn't eat through it first, I'll put gasoline on it. Oh, well, I ruined a perfectly good shirt.
Oh no. What you get for wearing a good shirt on fucking...
Well, I was gonna go get a haircut, and then
Oh,
I got
yeah.
shit clothes too, where I was like, oh, I'll change when we get into a serious dirty project. Well, now this shirt's completely fucked, so. And I don't know how I got it like up here. Like, it doesn't even make sense.
Oh yeah, no. Probably when they're fucking... Get this side first.
Yeah, and this actually, in hindsight, was a really bad idea.
Yeah.
Because we still have to peel this outer piece off.
It'll come off. I'll do it just like I do on the Rangers when they put too much plastic in the billets.
Should rip it off.
Well, when I can't get ripped off, I cut out with a razor knife and leave the rest in there.
Oh!
Well, you can't really see it.
Now I'm just going to put this glove back where I found it. Talk about the ultimate fuck you. Oh, there's a good glove. It's all fucking glued together and shit.
Alright guys, we laid the window in, we got it glued in, we got a bunch of clamps on it to hold it. And it's raining, but we got this awesome double rainbow going on. Oh, I can't quite make it that great on here. But the main beam of that sucker is landing right on the Del Sol.
Oh, and the rain just kind of stops, so you can't really see it anymore.
We'll put a picture in.
Yeah. Alright, so we let it cure overnight now, and Marshall's gonna do the honors of seeing if this is a legit thing or not.
It holds in and we can take off this dramatic peel reveal.
Peel reveal.
Looks like a real
Woo!
The tape is glued to the car. That's fine.
Yeah, I figured that was gonna happen. Hey,
Can't even tell.
looks like a brand new windshield.
Looks like a brand new window. I mean, the caulk job is a little
Yeah, well, we're not professionals.
like finger painters here. But
Yeah,
that's fucking nice.
I like
Nice
that.
tone to it.
Sounds like every one of my door panels. All right, well, if they like this video, what should they do?
Like, comment, subscribe. Peace out.
Broadcast performance is what it stands for.